Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Myself, I am Dikasar Alam. I read in class standard 4th. I study in Huda Educational Academy. I belong to Sonapur, Nepal. Now about my family. My father name MD Samimuddin. He is a doctor. Today is Animal Day. It is day of important day. Good morning all of you, my dear parents and my dear guardians and coming guests. I hope they all are fine. Heartfelt congratulations to those who have participated in today's programs. Today in this annual festival, I have got a chance to say a flavored. I am thankful for Dad Huda Educational Academy, my family. Dad is spread the light of this education. Dad is spread the light of this education. My topic named life. Life is a very valuable gift which is given by God to us, and we must be thankful to Him for giving such a precious gift. Life is not only valuable for other living beings also. We must always appreciate the good things happening in our life. There is a tendency that people are getting indulged in bad habit which is ultimately going to destroy their life. People must observe the fact there is a positive, beautiful and colorful side of life. Also we must be adopted. We must know that family is an important our friend. My topic is